Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are good at your home. तो स्टूडेंट, हमने सबसे पहले ए एप्पल किया. आफ्टर दैट बी ब बॉल, सी क कैट, डी ड dog, and then e a egg. And now today we are going to learn letter F. Letter F. The phonic sound of letter F is F. 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 F for fish. F for flag. F for flower. F for frog. F for
Fan.
F for fog. Now students, see again. और मेरे साथ बोलिए. F for fish.
F for fish.
F for fish.
F for fish.
F for flag.
F for flag.
F for flag.
F for flag.
F for flower.
F for fly.
F for flower. F for frog.
F for frog.
F for fan.
F for fan.
F for fog.
F for fog.
Now, students, the phonic sound of letter F is F. 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 Okay. So now, students, let's see how we can make letter F. Now, look at here. First of all, make a standing line.
Make a small sleeping line.
And again make a sleeping line. F for fish. F for frog. Make a standing line. Make a sleeping line. And now again make a sleeping line. This is letter F. F. Do practice with me. Kids, look at here. F. So make a standing line. Make a sleeping line. Now again make a sleeping line. This is letter F. This is our letter F. Make a standing line. Then make a sleeping line. And then again make a sleeping line. This is our letter F. F. Okay. Now revision from A to F. Now kids, look at here and do practice with me. सबसे पहले जो हमारा फर्स्ट लेटर है वो है ए एप्पल. Letter A. Make a slanting line. Again make a slanting line on another side and then make a sleeping line. B ball. B ball. Make a standing line and make a right small curve and again make a small curve right side. Now after letter B ball, C cat. Make a left big curve, that is letter C cat. Now after letter C cat, D letter comes. Make a standing line and now make a big right curve, that is letter D dog. And now E egg. So students, make a standing line and sleeping line. How many times? 3 times. 1, 2, and now 3. F for fish. Make a standing line. Now make a sleeping line. Again make a sleeping line. Okay kids? This is our letter. Okay? F. Now look at these letters. Letter A apple. B ball. B ball. C cat. Cat. D dog. D. E fish. F for fur. Thanks for watching.